तुम चोयता आसतले की ज्या पद्दतीन आज ही सेशन चलता खास करून दिस इज द लिस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस आनी ह्या लिस्ट ऑफ बिजनेसान टुडे देवर टू कॉलिंग अटेंशन. One was of the ruling, one was of the opposition. But when that one came by of the opposition, you can see that the way today the honorable speaker, it is his rule किती सांगता about calling attention. Rule number 63 says that a member desiring to call the attention of a minister to any matter of urgent importance shall give notice in duplicate of such a matter by 10 a.m. to the secretary. The secretary shall send one copy of the notice to the minister concerned. If the speaker gives his consent to the said matter being raised, it shall be done after the question and before the list of business has entered. So, ejer clear raha. Today the topic was on road accidents. Daily लोग ज्या पद्धतीन मोता, very very serious topic. This government does not want to listen to topics that are showing the failure of this government. आणि मुखेलमंत्री हांव सांगता की मुखेलमंत्री आतां हावजांनी सांगला ते दोड मारपा बंद करू. थिंगा तो the speaker is the custodian. When the speaker asks me to speak, the chief minister says no, I can't speak. The minister gives some other explanation. When it is very very clear कि calling attention once it is been admitted, notice prior to that goes to the minister. He should be aware. The secretary legislature has already told them. So हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ही सारकी घात करपागी. This is a हत्या of a democracy. Very sorry state of affairs. And my baila, when we go to raise our voices, this is what they are doing with a brute measure. Never in the history of legislative assembly has something like this happened. The chief minister is all book दाखयता, हेडमास्टरा भाशेन बूक दाखयता. तोच बूक आमी तेकाय दाखयला. ह्या बुकान जे बरयलां त्याच पद्दतीन आमकां हिंगा क्वेश्चन मांडपाक जाय, आन्सर तुमी दिवपाक जाय. पूण सरकाराक पडोंक ना. दे आर ओनली लुकींग एट इजी वेज आउट. दे हॅव फेल्ड. खास करून सकाळच्या वेळार आनी एक मॅटर मुगेलें आशिल्लें विथ पर्टेनिंग टू सेस. आतां दीस सेस मॅटर वॉज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मॅटर. इट इज अ स्कॅम ऑफ थाउजंड्स ऑफ क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज. आज जेन्ना तें येवपाक आशिल्लें सेम प्रश्न मंत्रीन जें उत्तर दिल्लें तेच प्रश्न आज पोस्टपोन केला. सो हितून म्हाका दिसता जी हुकुमशाय चलता, लोकशाय आनी ना, ही हुकुमशाय. आनी ही हुकुमशाय म्हाका दिसता जरी तर ह्याच पद्दतीन चल्ल्यार म्हाका दिसता there is a completely constitutional crisis. The honorable speaker, who is the custodian, should not act on what the chief minister says. He is a neutral authority. It is a murder. That is what is happening today. आज जे शेल्टर होम मडगांवचे गांवांत और इकरा कोडे जे एअरपोर्ट चलतंय तेंय हांवें हायलायट केलें. थिंग म्हणून हांव ब्लॅकमेल कोताय. 4 म्हयने जाले तांकां सॅलरी दिला. And 150 people lives without house, persons with disability, senior citizen, all are involved. But hui na hui maga dista this government is not serious in resolving this issue, only giving us whatever answers that they are trying to do. So maga dista you all can see, when through you all the people of Goa should know, we have been given 15 days. It is our right. Opposition is calling attention gete, ruling achi ge nahi. So this has never happened. It is unprecedented, and the way everything seems to be one-sided, but still we will fight for the rights of Goans.
सर ते स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचेर तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळो?
ना, स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ताणें सांगलां की हील ट्राय एंड रिजॉल्व इट. स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचे मॅटर इतले सिरियस आसा की दे हॅव गिवन अ नोटीस टुडे दॅट दे आर शटिंग डावन. इट्स कम इन द न्यूज पेपर. 31st August विल बी द लास्ट डे. एंड मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा ते ब्लॅकमेल कोताय. मार दिस इज नॉट ब्लॅकमेल. दिस इज कॉस्ट ऑफ 150 lives. Where will they stay? Can you all accommodate them? Where you all will accommodate these people? So the prashna, and this is 8 years they are doing it. Did you send them a notice? Is anything on record that they are blackmailing? फक्त हे सांगप आनी what म्हाका तरी दिसता हितू उरपाट हा. They do not want to give it, or whether they are expecting something in when that money is given to this. This is another question mark that this government needs to answer.